So the other day we did a live feed where we were putting together this black palm and zebra wood together and trying to figure out what to do with it. So this is where we're at on the palm and zebra wood. And you see that I've got it on my steady rest here. And I've attached a Forstner bit to my chuck here, and we're going to try and core through that and cross our fingers that the glue that I used and so forth to put this all together stays holding. You also have to watch for friction along the way, because friction can be our enemy. It creates heat, which softens the glue and causes other problems. And we could end up losing the whole thing. Going through the palm at this point. You can tell by the shavings coming out. I think we're getting really close to the zebra wood. I can hear it. It sounds like we're going into the zebra wood now. Let that cool down just a little bit, because I'm sure, yeah, that's pretty darn hot. The real key on this is patience. Okay, I'm going to let that cool down for just a minute. I'll take the vacuum. Watch this thing is going in there. About as far as we can go. Yep, that looks pretty good. Okay. See if we can sand this out a little bit. Little tip there, always kind of angle down a little bit from the lip, angle a little bit in, it gives it a little more of a slope look to it, and gives it a little more interesting view of it too. See if we can get it to look as bright as it did on the outside. This is just my tung oil mixed with some linseed and a little bit of mineral oil. soaks into the wood. After about 20 minutes, you take it out. You take out what's left, wipe it off or whatever, and you can do that 2 or 3 times. You know, I'm gonna use a little trick here too. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these, but when you need to get into small spots, you want to get in there like so, just a little bit. A stick with a slit in it, holding your sander, can get in there a little for you. You can sand it inside a little bit, but you can't get in there with any other kind of sander. It seems to work pretty well. Oh yeah, now it's nice and soft in there. Real smooth. That made a big difference. And as you can see, it goes pretty far back in there. Rub off a little of this excess on the outside. We'll let this settle in, and we'll bring you back when it's finished.